Nyojong, Ntxhais Samajong, which translates Daughters of the Good News.
Sân cao a young girls routine so is a song that will show người hai cho bulu neng từ nhau trâu tung đi do ít tung neng em chỉ mua cái kia xia ta chỉ thọ cũng chỉ cao dây sườn bulu neng lồng đôi xia trong đi cho hư hoặc cho tài hay tút tơ là em là muốn cho cứu búa đâu đã khá lồng lo ok thọ nút đánh chi người chi luôn trong câu rồi họ cứu. So this is a song that I wrote about my life. I was in darkness, someone who had no hope. But when I met Jesus, my life changed. And it's like those vases where they were broken and you use gold clips to come and glue it back together. And when the light shines, it shines better than it was before. And so the girls had chose this song to glorify God and to show it and convey it through dance. So enjoy.
very graceful.